Look what sea salt water did to my hair. Do I look cute? Alright guys, so right now we're going to Dirty Taco. Maybe I'll make some video out of that. I am ridiculously starving and I cannot wait. And when you're hungry, you don't want to go through the menu and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna go there to have a dirty taco. I know it's gonna hurt my pocket. I know after that I'm gonna feel lazy and don't want to go to the city to take the girl's photo. We got sangria, 2 birria taco, 1 consume, sangria, and then we're gonna have a 3 platter. So I cannot wait, yo. Look at this, guys. Times Square, say what? Woo! Latino sangria, second time. Good stuff. Perfectly balanced right there, completely perfectly balanced, bro. Perfectly freaking balanced, bro. Perfectly. Look at that. So they put all this stuff. I see lots of bubbles over here. Look at that. Next level. There's your LIR right there. Look at that. I don't know. I might get a second one. Cheers, guys. There it is. All right. First thing first. Cheers on this. All right, here we go. Very light. And here comes the big one. I'm completely speechless, really. Like this is amazing. That's it. Alright, so let's do this one more time. If you like this video, you definitely want to press the like and subscribe button. I'm literally speechless. That's it. Really. This one's sticking out right here. The case is right there. The cheese sticking right out.
Everything's good.
I'm thinking, you know what?
Yeah.
Might get a the third stick. I don't know.
Which one?
What do you think?
The other, the carne asada. I can put it in for you if you want, or let me.
That, yeah. So we're gonna get the third one. Sponge, big sponge. All of the stuff right there. Put some nice paprika at the top. All this stuff. Look at it. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Thank you, appreciate it. Alright, so we got some hot ones over here with this and that. Okay, this is mango habanero. Alright, let's try with let's just try with this. Mm. One thing I did not try is the consume. Let's try the consume, alright? By itself. Cheers. My god. Hell yeah. Oh my god. You definitely don't want to put this in the consume. Perfect. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We got carne asada right there. Say what? Look at that. This is goodbye. There it is. Alright, we're done with the carne asada. Alright, let's do this, man. Perfect design. There it is. The steak is really tender, very tender as usual. That's why I like the carne asada. You know, it's always tender. Has some kind of, I think it's a pico de gallo or something. I don't know. But let's try this with the mangoes. Not bad, my friend. My god, that consume, I wish it was like extra large. Really. It makes you sleepy, very sleepy. You know why? It's the oily stuff. Here's their bottom part. That corn is a good bite. Yes, put this on the... That's insane, bro. I'm gonna have to come back over here one more time. Either way, whatever you call it. Definitely have to come back. Hell yeah.